para sila masusuportahan ngayon ng mas maayos.
Kailangan ko ba magpalit ng strategies?
Nagagampanan ko kaya ng maayos ang role ko?
Will I be able to meet their expectations?
We have to prove them all wrong.
It's time to win.